Ron Tompkins with the Tompkins team. Trust us when we tell you, home ownership may be nearer than you think. If you experienced a foreclosure, short sale, or bankruptcy, home ownership may be sooner than you think. You may actually be able to buy now. For a foreclosure, for a new conventional loan, you'll likely be waiting 7 years from the completion of the foreclosure. However, with a new FHA loan, it may be as little as 3 years from the completion of the foreclosure. If you experienced a short sale and you're applying for a new conventional loan, it can be as short as 2 years and qualify for a 20% down loan. For a new FHA loan, which requires 3.5% down, it takes 3 years from the completion of that short sale. If you do have a VA certificate and experienced a foreclosure or short sale, your waiting period is 2 years from either of those. In the case of a bankruptcy, whether it's a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, the time frames vary, so please call us so we can share the particulars. The Tompkins team has great lenders, and we can assist you and get you back to where you want to be in home ownership. The real estate market is predicted to heat up again in the spring of this year, and interest rates are still currently exceptional. The Tompkins team wants to earn your business. Please allow us the chance to serve your needs. Your referrals are appreciated, and the best way for you to share a referral is to call us and share the name and contact information of the person who either has a question or a real estate need. We want to be your realtors. Thanks again. Call the Tompkins team 480-706-7259. Thank you.